Hi folks, I've just visited my wee friend Paul up here because fair. We did this fence here last year, and look there, look, Terry's up here for the last time. Look at Terry, look at that. There's no cooking room to do today, it's boo 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 boo. Look at that, is that no Terry's a thing of beauty? We did this fence about a year, 2 years ago. Since then, Paul's been all tired, but we're actually up here with a mission to see about new t-shirts, because you all want my merchandise, and I want to see about t-shirts for you also. And Paul happens to do them, so, and hats. So just coming shortly, we'll have all our hats with the mighty WSH fence and hats and t-shirts and maybe other wee interesting things. But wait and see and watch this space. And Terry, hello Terry! Terry, there you go. Can't be bad, eh? And unfortunately, Paul's good lady. What's your wife's good name?
Michelle.
Michelle's not here yet again to see me. Every time I come up here, Michelle's not there. I think I've got 2 heads of turkey. Right, she's all there, folks.